Guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. So as you can see, we are on our homepage on the desktop, and what we're going to do is come down to the search menu here. What we're going to do is type in settings, and we're going to press open. Cool. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are going to come over to the left hand side and we're going to press on the apps button here. We are then going to scroll down and click on the default apps button there. And as you can see at the top here, we've got a search bar. So we're just going to type in Chrome, and Google Chrome has come up underneath. So we're just going to give that a click. And then as you can see at the top, it says make Google Chrome your default browser. So what you're going to do is just going to click that as you set default, and then we're going to make sure that these two here are also Google Chrome. I'm going to leave the HTML as Microsoft Edge, and I've also got the PDF as Google Chrome. But if that was Microsoft Edge, that's no problem. It's just making sure that these top two here are also Google Chrome. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.